Again late with tea? What kind of daughter-in-law are you? In my time, we woke up before sunrise.
Sorry, Margie. I was helping the milkman. His cart broke.
Helping the milkman? Are you running the whole town now?
Meera stayed silent. She placed the tea tray down and quietly walked away. She had no friends. She didn't go out much. Only once a week she went to the temple alone and stayed there for hours.
This paratha is too oily. Do you want to kill me with cholesterol?
She only knows how to look innocent, but she's so slow, can't even fold clothes properly.
Useless girl. My son married a statue. She doesn't earn, doesn't talk, just walks around silently.
I'm sorry. I'll do better.
Meera never replied back. She kept her pain inside, and her secrets even deeper. Every night, when everyone slept, Meera opened her old phone. She worked quietly, eyes focused. No one knew. She was running something online. Not cooking videos, not fashion reels, but something bigger.
Ma, you know what's funny? This Pobby doesn't even know how to wear proper makeup. She's like a village woman in the city.
My poor son works day and night, and this girl eats in AC and sleeps like a queen.
I'm not sleeping, Margie.
Then what? Working on what? Dreams?
One day, during lunch, a courier arrived. A big package with Meera's name.
What is this nonsense? Fancy perfumes? Saris? Who ordered all this?
Meera, are you hiding something? Where did this money come from?
It's mine, Margie. I ordered it.
Did you steal from the kitchen money? I will call Ritesh right now.
Or maybe she's selling herself online.
Meera goes silent, eyes full of tears, but doesn't say a word.
Ma, every night she's online. I saw her smiling at her phone at 2 a.m. yesterday.
Really? Huh? Must be some secret boyfriend.
She acts so quiet during the day, but I'm sure she's doing time pass with someone at night. Ooh, I was thinking about that expensive order, now get it. In this way it had come.
From that day, the gossip began. Even neighbors whispered. They started watching her. One night, Sulochana, her mother-in-law, tried to peek at her screen, but Meera turned it off quickly.
That was enough to create drama. Who are you chatting with at night? Some lover? Don't lie. Good women don't hide their phones. My poor son works day and night, and his wife is enjoying with other men on mobile.
It's not what you think.
Then show me your phone.
Meera stayed silent. She didn't show them. Not because she was guilty, but because her truth wasn't ready yet. For weeks, the insults continued. They told Ritesh too. He didn't say anything, but he became distant. The house felt colder. Meera still didn't stop using her phone at night. Everyone thought she had no shame. But deep inside, she was building something. She was running a business. A small online store, handmade bags, jewelry and soaps, all managed by her. Meera's small business slowly started growing. She got her first 5,000 order, then 5 lakhs. All while living in that same house, quiet, invisible, but building an empire with her own hands. She kept her money in a separate account under her maiden name. One morning, the doorbell rang. A man in a suit stood with a big bouquet and a letter.
Is Mrs. Meera Sharma here? She's invited as chief guest for the Women Entrepreneur Awards tonight.
Sulochana shocked.
Chief guest?
There must be some mistake.
No mistake. She's the founder of Aura Hands, a handmade product brand that made 7 crores last year.
Silence filled the room. Meera stepped forward quietly and took the letter.
I was never chatting with a man. I was building orders, managing vendors, replying to customers.
But Why didn't you tell us?
Would you have believed me?
We thought.
You thought wrong. Sometimes silence hides not sin, but strength.
The same people who laughed at her now looked down in shame. That evening, Meera walked the red carpet. Photographers took her pictures, reporters asked for interviews, and her husband finally smiled with pride. So, never judge a woman by her silence. Sometimes they are not hiding a scandal, but building an empire.